Today we're gonna warm up some Doritos spicy dip.
Okay.
Which it's 45 seconds, and I got Liam again, so we have to open it up
Yep.
and remove the metal.
Yes, because metal can't go in the microwave.
Yep.
Okay. Do you need help? What day is it today? What's happening? Why is everybody at your house?
Because we had the baptism with my baby.
The baby sisters, yeah, the twins.
The
Okay.
twins had the
Okay, you got to pull it all the way off, bro.
had a baptism.
Yeah, I'm filming.
Cherries.
Okay. Do you need help? Keep going.
Oh yeah, I need jam too.
Okay. All right. So now you're
Now
gonna
I just need to wash my hands.
washing your hands is good. I'm just gonna double check that if the lid is supposed to be on or off. Remove lid and foil. Okay. 45 seconds. Okay.
So we don't need the lid.
No lid. Yep. All right, buddy.
And then put it in the microwave, which is Samsung.
Samsung microwave. Okay.
Then start.
Alrighty. Do you like melted cheese? No.
Not really.
Do you think this one's spicy? So I don't know.
Yeah, I
Probably not. Do you want Liam to come look?
This is so cool.
Oh, it's starting to make noises. That means it's heating up. Oh, do you think it's going to explode?
No.
I don't think so. All right. 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It didn't explode.
It didn't explode. All right.
That's good.
Let's look.
Ooh, whoa.
Whoa. All right. So we just got to melt. We got to stir that up and then it's done. All right, Henry. Do you want to say anything else?
Okay, bye. And subscribe for more of my videos and comments.